This is a super tasty, easy and quick chicken curry recipe with green chilies. First chop tomato, potato, onions, green chili. Then take another one onion, one tomato, few garlic, green chili, ginger and grind it to a paste. Then garam masala whole spices are also needed and also garam masala powder will also be added. Chicken is cleaned properly. First slightly fry the potatoes. Then add the whole garam masala spices into the remaining oil. This is such a easy recipe that it can be cooked without much preparation. Now add the chopped onions, green chili and tomatoes. Well, my husband doesn't like chili powder, so I made this recipe with green chilies only. If you want, you can add chili powder. This recipe is super easy for the beginners and can be made at home quickly. Then add the paste followed by other ingredients: turmeric, jeera powder, dhania powder, chicken curry masala, fried potatoes and chicken, and cook it properly. You can have this super tasty yet less spicy chicken curry with rice or roti.